a orange juice machine, and which has like 4 oranges each cup, 45 seconds, and we'll show you how the orange juice has been taken. Yeah, so we put like the 500 yen into the machine. Okay, so now the things have started. Oh, you have to put once again. Okay, so you got the change. So now it is started. So you can see step 1, 2 and 3, and this is the whole process. The machine will take 4 oranges. So you can see here, I just try to show you how it's happening. So there is a door from where you can take the orange. Let me just go close and try to see if I can see something. But here there is a machine here which squeezes the oranges, and then finally you get a cup to here. So you can see here. Okay. That's all. There is a straw over here. You can just see the orange. This is a 350 yen orange.